I was trying to wonder where I'm going to use these coaching skills and where I'm going to apply them. And in my new job, a lot of the work is working with secondary school children and also primary school children. And I've noticed how powerful coaching skills have been with those children. It's really been powerful. So yeah, that's really helped me create change and help move forward. So yeah, so I love working with children, and that's something I've really noticed over the last year or so. And I really have noticed how powerful coaching questions can be with children, especially children that don't really say too much. You can just pick up on a certain word, you know, what's good about that, and it just opens it up. So yeah, it's really been quite powerful.
I think, you know, in terms of success for me, I've seen this journey as building a path on this next phase of my life. I suppose I always talk about this second curve from a career perspective. Having finished 25 years in the corporate world, I was thinking coaching is the next step, and with all of this expertise that I've been learning from and these excellent classes and people and tutors, it's made that path very real and exciting as well. I think there's a lot of really good things to look forward to, you know, building my own business, partnership opportunities, collaboration opportunities, this whole network. So that's been very powerful, and I think is worth calling out as well. And there's actually been quite a lot of memorable moments, and I could certainly pick several. I think probably if I was to say, you know, one, it would be actually meeting some of the colleagues, you know, face to face. That's great. I think that's really important as well, especially in this virtual environment. We have that opportunity to meet face to face. So they would be my reflections.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of the journey of coaching, you know, it's changed me. So yeah, I'm one who's always been looking for change. I love and I strive for change all the time. And this coaching process, I think that's the reason I got into working in ICE, is precisely because of that, because to me it was like so powerful. It gave me faith in you know, giving others the opportunity and the platform to resolve challenges, and for me to have the confidence that I can learn from those changes, and I have learned a lot from it.
I think, you know, for me, one of the things I'm taking away is when I came into the program, my area of interest and focus was mostly with young people. But as I have been, you know, on this course, I think I'm being more open-minded about the client base that I want to work with, and you know, definitely looking forward to more of the family business area as well. So that's definitely something I'm taking away as a positive from this program, and that's because I've had the opportunity to interact with so many you know, people from diverse backgrounds here. So I'm thankful for that. And I guess a memorable moment for me is the flexibility that the ICE program provided for me, given my peculiar situation at some months of the year. Yeah, so I'm really grateful for that. So I could complete the course on time as well. And yeah, the authenticity with which everyone came onto this program with. You know, we weren't holding back, yet we were empathetic or conscious of other people's feelings, but yet we shared what we thought about, whether it was their performance or ideas. So I think that really, you know, is something I'm taking away.
I just checked when I started my training program with ICE. So we started like 12 months ago with team coaching, discovery of potential, then transition to bridge program level 2. I think in general what is memorable and will stay memorable, it's about you call it Timur DNA. The strength base is the DNA of each of us. So for me, it was first of all discovering my DNAs, top 5, and I know my top 10, and the rest I forget. But top 5 and top 10, I think, is there, and I start understanding and learning about other DNAs. Like Nicole, I worked with Nicole a lot. I worked with Anna Maria a lot. So I start reading other people's strengths and how the strengths can be the strengths, but also a weakness and how you can manage it. So that kind of the best thing that I learned in this program. So thank you very much for you, Timur, for this class, for all of you. You've been my students, you've been my teachers, best examples. So it's very great to work with different people from all different places.
Because you will gain that confidence. And I find that this is exactly what happened, because I noticed in conversations, either coaching or anything else, I'm much more confident how I show up and what exactly I do and what I bring to the table. Then what's memorable for me is that I learned through communication. So by having conversations with everyone, having coaching sessions with Kadisha or with James, I learned about their strengths, and that's how I not memorized, but that's how they make sense to me. Then through coaching, I learned listening even better. So that's it. Thank you, everyone, because I learned from all of you. And thank you for Timur for the ICF event where I met you, and you came at the right moment.